So it's just like going to the room, you're gonna be making sure like that's all good, eh?
Is she fucking down here already?
They're all down. They're probably.
Oh! We are all behind this box.
We're not getting out of here, dude.
Nope. Oh, great. Thanks, Sonny.
Oh shit!
Forget we can check that. Ah ha ha! Now it's electrified. They can't get to you.
Those guys are so stupid, dude. Well, she's coming.
Look at him coming.
Well, you know, I'm such an idiot. Imagine he turns it off perfectly and he one hits us, dude. They turn
That
off.
would be so funny.
Idiot. You can like emote in this, I thought. Like point and laugh.